Hey guys, Martin here, and today I've got a $600 ultimate gaming PC build for the US, Canada, and the UK. Let's get right into it with the CPU. The USA and the UK come tied with the Ryzen 7 2700, a beast of a CPU that can take care of multitasking, productivity, video editing, streaming, gaming, all you want. It's a great CPU. Canada comes in last with the Ryzen 5 2600, still a good CPU, but if you look at the price, compared to the other CPUs on this list, it's pretty depressing. Otherwise, it's better than the Ryzen 3 that they had last video, link on the screen and in the description. But, it's going to lose this time to the USA and the UK. For the motherboard, we got a tie everywhere, all 4 slots, 64 gigs of RAM supported, DDR4, no one's crying here. For the RAM, again, everyone's got a tie here, 8 gig, DDR4 3200 megahertz all across the board, just different makes. SSD here, we got a tie between the UK and the USA. Both have 1 terabyte hard drives, whilst Canada loses this one with a 480 gig SSD. So yeah, there we go. For video cards, we're gonna give a W here to the UK with a GTX 1660 Ti from Zotac. It's a good graphics card compared to the GTX 1060 that the USA has, and Canada comes in basically the flattest of them all with an XFX Radeon RX 5670. It's a good graphics card, but they have the same graphics card as the last video, which is great. Not really at all. Anyways, for the cases, we got a little switch up from last video. It's just a beauty contest, but I'm gonna give this one to the UK. I love that red. It's a little like, I don't know, too candy like, I don't know. It's still a pretty cool red. And for the power supply, guys, I'm gonna give it the W to the USA because they got a 535 watt 80 plus bronze semi-modular power supply. The UK would come in second, and Canada come in last, but they're all fantastic power supplies and good to start with. Good enough for the respective PC builds. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think of my PC build. Is it good? Is it bad? My trash? Okay, guys, I think UK is just too strong, always with good pricing, and USA is coming up closer. I think the next one it's gonna be a lot closer. Graphics cards, at least, are gonna be a lot closer. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace.